USB drive here?
One with a giant mustache on it?
Yes! Well, I do have my best friend's favorite USB stick, which is pretty small, or I could make an SD adapter by ripping out the insides of this. USB stick it is! Yes, 12. New idea. Instead of relying on friction, I'm gonna use the power of magnets. Well, now that I have the 3D models, I just need to print them. Ah, shit. Last time I tried to do something with you, you didn't work. You better do work now. Let's hope this new nozzle will fix the problem. Damn it, where have I left my sheep wrench? Ah, there you are. I hope you're the right one. Should be. Okay, what was it again? Lefties, loosies? But it's upside down. It's not the right one. Damn it. Ah, there it is. And now it's time for the worst part. Well, that's already done. Somehow. I think I'm getting better at it. Now it's time to get out my special filament extra forces. I hope it won't look like shit. Well, now it's time for the final step. Hope this damn thing will work. Ah, shit. I'm not sure what happened. Well, I tightened the screw down here and also put the print bed a little bit closer, and let's see if it helps. I think it does. This already looks much nicer than before. Excellent. Well, one thing is clear, this is too thin. Also, the friction concept didn't work. But the most important question is, will it fit? So far, so good. And it does fit. It jiggles a little bit, but it fits. Just a small reprint and gluing in the magnets, and now we have it. One shitty egg stick. I'm really disappointed with it, especially how thick it is. Also, it jiggles a lot. And it has a nice weakness. It inserts quite well, but pulling it out may cause some problems. Well, it's now my friend's problem. But I designed my 3D models to be reusable. So I will make another one someday. But until then, I have other projects. Power of magnets! Power of magnets! Power of magnets! Good enough.